Put on some gloves and all.
Catch him now. Be careful, Daniel.
All right, India, we'll get you up.
Don't let go.
Hey, man, that's like.
I guess so.
Wait,
No, man, somebody, yeah, just hold him on.
Underneath him,
Underneath his arm, underneath his armpit, armpit.
Watch the ladder, watch the ladder.
Viewers and subscribers, gunman kidnapped this man from Thursday, and today Sunday, the firefighters them go rescue him out of 50 feet pit. People, the man them kidnapped the man, take him care and throw in a pit and left him for dead. So yeah, we have the full video, the whole rescue. So come check it out now, man.
Lego rope, sorry, Lego rope.
Well done.
Exad 4 people. Bring over yourself.
Come over from the hole, move from the hole.
Yes, the officer want to know if you see any shells or remains down there. No, sir.
Well done, Douglas.
Respect? He said no. No. Human remains. Yes, ma'am.
Here was that at 7:14 a.m. this morning, the brigade received a call of that there was a man in a pit in the Jones Avenue area. 3 units, one from Spanish Town, one from Portmore, and also our EMS crew from Portmore responded. On the brigade's arrival, and an assessment was made, and in discussion with the police, we were told that a gentleman was kidnapped and dumped in that pit. It's over 55 feet deep since Thursday. The brigade got into operation, and one firefighter was lowered into the pit, where we were able to get the rope around the gentleman, and in a very delicate process we were able to remove him from the pit. He's now being transported to the Spanish Town Hospital by our EMS team.
How many personnel, how many boots you have on the present?
We dispatched 17 firefighters to include myself.
Okay. And the person who picked him up, who got down to extract him, how him see him lie down, or was
he was found laying down under another section. It's a very, as I said, it's about 55 feet deep. And he was under. If you look down in that hole, you couldn't see him. So the firefighter had to go down and retrieve him and then tie him up and pull him out.
And you understand that was from Thursday?
I understand he was in the pit since Thursday. He was kidnapped, his car stolen, and he was dumped there.
I know this is a police matter. How do the police say that they hear say that he was in the pit? Resident?
I have not yet spoken with the police, but what I understand that somebody was there guarding him, and on the arrival of the police, that person ran.
And they understand, I saw a mattress, they understand that mattress?
Yes, that's what somebody was sitting.
Okay, all right, okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Unit from Spanish Town and Portmore Fire Department are at a scene at Jones Avenue, where a man is in a deep pit. I understand that they put the man in the pit to come back to kill him, and somehow the word get out that's a man in the pit. So police and firefighters are here, and the firefighters are trying to extract the person. He's suspected to be down there from Thursday night.